Good morning, everyone. This is Angelos Zittis from IronFX, bringing you the morning comment for the 28th of August. US-Mexico reached bilateral deal. The US and Mexico have reached a deal to overhaul the NAFTA agreement, increasing pressure on Canada to join the agreement. The key issues seem to include new terms on auto trade, dispute settlement, and agriculture. And should Canada agree, a new trilateral NAFTA agreement could be formed. Mexico's Economy Minister Guajardo stated that the deal would have to be tweaked should Canada not join. However, analysts point out that it would still stand. Canada's Foreign Minister Freeland will be traveling to Washington today in order to continue negotiations, and her spokesman stated that Canada will only sign the agreement if it is good for Canada. Should there be further positive headlines about the issue, we could see the US dollar strengthening. USD CAD dropped heavily yesterday, breaking consecutively the 1.30 and the 1.2965 support levels, with the 1.30 turning into a resistance level as the pair corrected during today's Asian session, breaking once again the 1.2965 support level. We could see the pair rise about a slower pace should the US dollar strengthen on further headlines about the NAFTA agreement. Please note that the pair may also prove sensitive to the US releases later on today. Should the bulls dictate the pair's direction today, we could see it aiming, if not breaching, the 1.30 resistance line. And should it be breached, the way may open for the 1.3047 resistance barrier. On the other hand, if the bears take over the pair's direction, we could see it breaking the 1.2965 support line once again, aiming for the 1.2925 support hurdle. On other news, German Interior Minister sees progress on migrant deal with Italy. According to media, Germany's Interior Minister Seehofer stated yesterday that good progress has been made towards an agreement with Italy regarding the migration issue. The announcement was made after Italy's Deputy Prime Minister Di Maio threatened to veto the EU budget yesterday. The agreement expected to be reached with Italy may be similar to the ones with Spain and Greece earlier this month. Analysts see the case for a positive progress to ease tensions within the EU, especially with Italy regarding the issue. Should there be further positive headlines about the migration issue and Italy, we could see the common currency strengthening. Euro-dollar rose yesterday, breaking the 1.1675 resistance line, however continued to struggle with the level during today's Asian session, as the upward trend line incepted since the 15th of August remains intact. We maintain our bullish bias. However, bearish tendencies and some corrections may occur as the USD strengthens due to the developments on the NAFTA issue. It should also be noted that the pair could be sensitive to the US financial releases later on today. Technically, the pair's RSI indicator in the 4-hour chart continues to be near the reading of 70, implying that the pair may be flirting with an overcrowded long position. Should the market be interested in pairs long positions, once again, we could see it breaking the 1.1675 resistance line and aim for the 1.1740 resistance level. On the other hand, should the pair come under selling interest, we could see it reaching or even breaking the 1.1623 support line. In today's economic highlights, in the American session from the US, we get the goods trade balance for July and the CB consumer confidence indicator for August, while later on we get the API weekly crude oil inventories figure. As for speakers, ECB's Peter Pryat will be speaking during the European session today. Also, please note that during the Asian session today, Bitcoin rose by $220 and currently seems to be stabilizing. Should you be more interested in the crypto market news, you can refer to our Crypto Weekly Outlook to be released later on today. For more information, please read the full comment on ironfx.com or download our app and get all the information you need to trade. You can follow us on Twitter, like us on Facebook, subscribe to our YouTube channel, or circle us on Google Plus to get more trading ideas. This is Angelos Zittis from IronFX, wishing you solid trading.